Hello learners, now we will inch one step more toward the development of our website. Once the list of keywords is final, the next step is to buy the domain name and web hosting for the development of your website that we are going to develop during this course. So in this background, let us begin with our next module, that is understanding domain names and web hosting. Under this module, you will learn what is the meaning of domain name and web hosting, what is the process of buying a domain name and web hosting, and lastly, how to change the name servers of domain names. If you are ready, let us begin. What is a domain name? In simple words, domain name is the address or the name of any website which you want to access. There are few unique features of domain name, like it is typed in the address bar of the browser to access the website. The domain name is unique to every website. That means there cannot be two websites on a single domain name. And lastly, domain names are managed through DNS to avoid the duplicacy of domain names. Here are a few examples of domain, like www.puchd.ac.in, www.amazon.in, www.flipkart.com. There are different types of domain names, like generic top level domains and country code level domain names. The generic top level domains represent the highest level in the domain name system hierarchy. The Internet Assigned Number and Authority in the year 1985 released 6 top-level domain names. However, at present, this number is 21. Few popular top-level domain names are .com, .net, .org, .mil and .edu. Country code top-level domains. With a purpose to distinguish one country from another, 2-letter domain names were established and became associated with countries or geographical locations. These are called country top-level domain names. Few examples of country top-level domains are .in for India, .au for Australia, .uk for United Kingdom, .pk for Pakistan and .us for United States. As you have to buy the domain name for your website, you should be very careful while selecting a domain name, as it helps to create the first impression of your business, it defines your brand, and it helps you to improve the search engine optimization. Now the question is, from where to buy the domain name? There are so many domain registrars in the market, like GoDaddy.com, Domain.com, Bluehost.com, Namecheap.com and so on, from where you can buy the domain. Before taking the final decision, compare the pricing plans, services and customer care feedback. So with this, I have explained the meaning of domain name and apprised you the importance of selection of right domain name for your business. If you are comfortable, let's move further.